Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show only about page in system settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. First of all, I am going to show you the settings. Right click on Start menu, click on Settings. Look here, all settings are visible and you can go to system, and here you will find many settings. I will show you how to show only this about page in these system settings. Now close settings. In search type GP edit, click on edit group policy. Under computer configuration, click on administrative template and expand it. Now click on control panel. Here you will find a settings page visibility, and now it's not configured. Right click on settings page visibility and click on edit. Click on enabled, and under settings page visibility type show only. Now clone and type about. Now click on apply, then click on OK. To make your change effective immediately, you have to restart, you have to update the group policy. To update group policy, right click on Start menu, click on Run. In Run type GP update/force. Now click on OK. Updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. Now I am going to check. Right click on Start menu and click on Settings. Now look, in settings only system and about page is showing here. All other options are hidden. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.